Tango 21.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of SFB on 31. Do you want to see if you can find a better channel?
Yeah, roger. 32. 32.
Roger.
Is that any good?
Yeah, sounds clear to me.
Okay, well, we're testing the... We're not testing this. This is our test calibrated radio, which we use for all the tests where we don't test a radio here. We're doing the field test for the President Randy 3 Hand Portable. Mr. Chippie's out with the body cam, so you'll see both sides of the conversation, whether it'll be in one video, whether it'll be in two. It depends how the different formats, and they don't edit easily. Later on today we'll be testing the Harvard WT1 single channel, bizarrely on channel 19 only. So we've had to shift the channel because he was getting foreign and unwanted SSB interference. So he's going to drive up the top of the hill. There's no point calling through from the top of the lane. There's no point calling through from Ancaster petrol station. There's no point calling through from Ancaster Crossroads. So he's going to start at the top of the hill with the President Randy 3 because we know he's going to work from there.
Through Ancaster Crossroads, so I'll be at the top of the hill shortly.
Roger on that. Heard your phone logging on as well.
Sure.
Then he'll drop down to Scratchy Corner, onto Wilsford Level Crossing, onto Kelby, and I don't think it's going to work any further than that because of the shortened type of aerial, a bit like the capo set which we use as a handy set around here.
Right, I'm in position, top of the hill, give me a minute.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy me on the President Randy 3, over?
Tango 21, yep, copying you loud and clear.
Okay, roger on that. Just speak a bit more closely, just for the test.
Right, that's into the mic.
Yeah, I appreciate you want to hold it at arm's length so the camera can see it. That's loud and clear. Move on.
Roger that.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy me on the President Randy 3, over?
Tango 21, yep, copying you loud and clear.
Okay, roger on that. So just speak a bit more closely just for the test.
Right, that's into the mic.
I appreciate you want to hold it at arm's length so the camera can see it. That's loud and clear. Move on.
Roger that.
So that's 1.5 miles away.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, in position at Scratchy Corner.
Roger, got you in position from the car at Scratchy Corner. I'll give you 30 seconds and we'll call you on the handheld. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you copy me on the President Randy 3 handheld? Excellent. Move on to the next one.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you copy me on the President Randy 3 handheld?
Tango 21, yeah, copying you loud and clear.
Excellent. Move on to the next one.
Yep, roger that, will do.
Well, that's better than I thought. I thought he'd have to really pick his spot. I didn't have to ask him to do that. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, how are you doing?
Yeah, come out of Wilson Village.
Roger. Expect you can hear me properly on this Rotel 230.
I'll be open, yeah.
Roger, got you in position at Wheelsford level crossing. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you receive me on the President Randy 3 handheld? Over. Excellent, move on to Kelby, that's fine. Right, well that's 3 miles folks, so remember it's the wrong side of the hill. I mean, if you're just watching this and you've never seen one of our videos before, we do this the wrong side of a hill. So where I am is a mile to a big hill, and then he's now the other side of that hill. It makes it really, really difficult for radio. We'd all test exactly the same.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you receive me on the President Randy 3 handheld? Over.
Tango 21, yeah, receiving you really well actually.
Excellent, move on to Kelby, that's fine.
Oh, roger that.
Roger, got you on the car set from Kelby. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the President Randy 3 handheld. Do you receive? Over. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the President Randy 3 handheld. Do you receive? Over. Okay, I know you're there. I don't know whether you can pick yourself a spot where I'm a bit clearer to you. I do know you're there, but can't hear any speech. Over. Okay, wasn't readable. Tell you what, drive on to Rawsby, just see if we can do the 6 mile, because it can be a bit better there sometimes. So, couldn't read you at that point. Move on to Rawsby. Over.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the President Randy 3 handheld. Do you receive? Over.
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the President Randy 3 handheld. Do you receive? Over.
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Okay, I know you're there. I don't know whether you can pick yourself a spot where I'm a bit clearer to you. I do know you're there, but can't hear any speech. Over.
Tango 21, just moved about a bit. Any better?
Okay, wasn't readable. Tell you what, drive on to Rawsby, just see if we can do the 6 mile, because it can be a bit better there sometimes. So, couldn't read you at that point. Move on to Rawsby. Over.
Yeah, if you read me, that's a roger.
There's no point doing the Greyleys turn, because that 5 mile point is more difficult than the 6 mile point because of the trees around there. So we'll give it a go. Otherwise, we'd be safe to say he's done about 3.5 miles.
Now back in the car. Yeah, I was receiving you fine. Over.
Okay, that's fine. So just go on to Rawsby and we'll give it a go.
You roger that?
Yeah, Roger, I reckon so. Give it a go. Tango 21, how are you doing?
Yeah, I know that. I passed the Greyleys.
Roger.
Right, I'm in position at Rawsby, Grayley's limit crossing.
Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds to see how it works. I don't think we're going to get anything from here, but I wanted to give it a go so it's got a fighting chance. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you receive me on the President Randy 3 handheld? Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Just give it another go. Okay, may return back to base. I wasn't able to copy you, but once again I could hear just a bit of something not dissimilar to Kelby.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you receive me on the President Randy 3 handheld?
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Just give it another go.
Yep, Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Okay, may return back to base. I wasn't able to copy you, but once again I could hear just a bit of something not dissimilar to Kelby.
Roger that, I'll go back to the car.
Because that's the beauty of ham radio and Morse code, isn't it? Where we would not hear anything speech. We would hear...
21 back in the car.
Roger, got you back on the car. That concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that,
10-10. Okay, so not dissimilar results from the Capo Panther. And what else did we do? Can't remember what else we did. We did another one with a shortened aerial. We've yet to do the Midland 42 because I couldn't find it at the time, but I know where it is now. So that's it. So we'll edit this together with his footage, and yeah, hope that was of interest. That we got 3 miles where you could actually have two-way communication, and it would probably have done 3.5 miles had we been able to stop at that point. But at the 4 mile point, you could tell there was somebody there, but it was no longer readable. At the 6 mile point, again you could tell there was something there, but of course it was virtually nothing. So that's it. That's your field test for the President Randy 3 Hand Portable. Now we've done these tests before with the 1981 Realistic 1001. We got the 6 miles full amount. We did it with the 1005. I think we managed 5 miles on that one. But they are the same kind of radio really, just with different cases. So they're both capable of that with the telescopic aerials. Binatone Long Ranger series, they'll do the 6 mile. Moonraker Master will as well. So these are the ones with the big telescopic 1.5 meter aerials from 1981. The sets with these shortened aerials all seem to peter out at 3 miles. Thanks for watching.